let me introduce you to a JComboBox. JComboBox is just like a JButton or anything like that is a graphical user interface object, but I don't know that we've ever used one before. So a JComboBox is a data type that you can declare, and I'm going to work right here in your Wookie GUI. As soon as things are getting set up in the constructor, I will give birth to combo, if I can spell combo. Boom. Now you won't see him unless you were to add him to the frame. So I'm going to go ahead and add him to the frame in the north. Layout.north. So now when I run this, hopefully, hello, you see a big empty JComboBox. Now, some things that you might want to say to JComboBox. I'm going to say his name, and there's nothing in there unless you were to add it. So I'm just going to put something in there. So the JComboBox is there, and now I have told it that it should add something. You will be doing this dynamically in a for loop probably somewhere, but I could add as many items as I wanted. Now, when you make a JComboBox, it's that simple. You make it, you add it, and you're going to put things in there. You will probably also want it to trigger an event. So you could, just like a button, sorry, I'm typing in Flash, that's ActionScript. Add action listener is Java, and I want this to be my own action listener, so that when you do something, it will come down here and go to action performed. Just to prove that to you, I will show that something happens when you do something. So here is my drop down. When I do something, that something to it, anything I do to this will trigger that message. Now, real quick, something else you can say to that combo box. Oh, and by the way, with action performed, you probably have seen this before, but just in case you forgot, you can say what caused that action. If the source of that action was combo, so right now there's nothing else that would cause an action since I don't have anything else on my menu, but whatever. So like if there was a button or something else that could have caused the action, I could filter this out. So if the source of the action really was combo, I could say something like this, and something handy to say would be I could ask combo for his selected index, for his selected item. The selected item is actually the text that is selected. So this will give a pop-up that will kind of be like a parrot and show me what I have selected. I select something else and something else. One last thing you could do that you will need to do in your program is you could also say combo.remove all items. That would, now this is going to be strange, when I pick something, all of these things are going to get ripped out of this combo box. So it said something too, and now there's nothing there. So those are all some functions that you might need to use with a JComboBox, and this is some logic to determine what caused an event, and you should be ready to use JComboBoxes.